Welcome to another video. Today we're going to go over drop-down lists in Google Sheets. To create a drop-down list in Google Sheets, we use data validation. Select the desired column or range and click in Insert, Drop-down List, or click on Data and Data Validation. On the sidebar that pops up, click Add Rule, select Drop-down as the criteria, and add the values that you want to be a part of your list. You can also choose a specific color for each different value. Once you have finished, click Done and you're ready to go. Now, in the cells you've applied a rule to, there will be a drop-down list with the possible values. This is especially useful in documents filled by different people to ensure data cohesion. You can also use data validation to ensure several different constraints on your data, for example dates, text, or checkboxes. I hope this video has helped you, and I'll see you in our next tutorial.